Ever seen a spider dangle mid-air and wondered, how on earth is that even possible? Hold on tight, because what's happening is pure engineering genius, and it's happening on a microscopic scale. Picture this. A spider's silk is stronger than steel by weight, yet flexible enough to stretch without snapping. And guess what? These tiny engineers don't just spin webs, they design them, mapping out blueprints with precision that rivals the best human architects. First, the spider shoots out a single strand, called the dragline, anchoring it to 2 points. That's right, their silk is sticky enough to cling to walls, but light enough to float on a breeze. It's like nature's very own construction drone. Then, the magic happens. Radial spokes, spiral scaffolding, and finally, the sticky silk. That sticky thread isn't random. It's a carefully planned fly trap, oozing a glue-like substance that spells doom for unsuspecting insects. But how do spiders pull this off? Well, their silk glands work like 3D printers, spinning liquid proteins into fibers faster than you can blink. They even recycle old silk. Yes, they eat their own webs to save energy. And here's a twist. Not all webs are alike. Orb weavers, funnel spiders, sheet weavers, they're all running on different blueprints, perfectly suited to their hunting styles. So next time you walk face first into a web, pause for a moment. You've just been introduced to nature's most brilliant engineer.